thought I would come back for another look at the bottom of inside of this early 20th century gown. Okay, to show you something that I found. First of all, I don't know if this is original. A little bit of thread, you lift it up and goes through. Lift it up and it goes through again. Maybe to keep that in place, but I don't see that anywhere else. But here's something very interesting. Buried. One of the pleated frills is a label. Huh. It says Princess, guaranteed TA. I'm gonna look this up. I'm wondering if this is it's at the edge of the fabric, it's at the selvage. I'm wondering if this is the brand of fabric, and if so, if I can find out if this is Nearsilk or taffeta. Nearsilk was really quite popular. Oh, look, and you also see where the faggoting, there's a knot. They finished off one thread, moved on to the next. I'm gonna have to investigate further to see if I can find more of these Princess guaranteed something or others, so I can figure out more about this fabric. But I thought you'd like to have a look at this little surprise. Bye.